Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our second regular module number MECH underscore P underscore 002 underscore Young. Young stands for writer Young Friedman, the most famous book in physics, whose about 14th edition is currently available in market, but perhaps this latest edition cannot be downloaded in free, so I have soft copy of its 13th edition. Okay, it does not matter whether edition is 13th or 14th or 8th or 9th. Okay, contents are almost same in all editions. Okay, now we come toward the statement of this problem. Actually, this problem is regarding conversion factors. Okay, statement starting with the definition 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. Find the number of part A kilometers in 1 mile and part B feet in 1 kilometer. Okay, now we move on to its solution in next slide. Okay, next slide, solution of part A. As we have been restricted to start from the condition that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter, so accordingly we start our solution from this situation that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. Accordingly, 1 foot will be equal to 2.54 into 12 centimeter. Okay, which will be equal to 30.48 centimeter. Okay, the same thing is written in another way. 1 foot is equal to 30.48 centimeter, which is again equal to 0.3048 meter, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, or 10 raised to the power 2 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. And again 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, 10 raised to the power 3 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Therefore, we rewrite above line as 1 foot is equal to 30.48 centimeter, which is again equal to 0.3048 meter, which is again equal to 0.0003048 kilometer. Now, okay, we have defined 1 feet in terms of kilometer in this part of our solution. Next we come towards 1 furlong, and then we come towards 8 furlong, because while 1 mile consists of 8 furlong. Okay, so when 1 feet is equal to 0.0003048 kilometer, then 660 feet, that is 1 furlong, will be equal to 0.0003048 into 660 kilometer, which is again equal to 0.201168 kilometer. Now we come towards 8 furlong, because 1 mile is equal to 8 furlong. Therefore, 5280 feet, that is 8 furlong, is equal to 1 mile is equal to 0.201168 into 8, which is equal to 1.609344 kilometer, and this is the solution of part A. Now we move on to solution of part B. Okay, dear students, this part of solution, that is part B of solution, has been typed in math type software. In math type software, usually space is not allowed. Therefore, it looks, sometimes it looks a little abnormal, but I explain it that it is not abnormal, it is quite okay within the framework of math type software. Okay, 1 inch, okay, it is not written as a lynch, okay, it is 1 and then there is no space, because in math type software space is not allowed. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. Okay, this is the condition from which we have to start our problem. Dear students, you can see that after 1 inch and between the sign of equality there seems some space, but this space is automatically inserted by this math type software. Okay, deliberately we cannot insert space like 1 inch. There is no space between 1 inch. If we try to place space between 1 and inch, then this software will not accept. Okay, 1 inch equal to 2.5 centimeter. This implies that 1 foot is equal to 2.54 multiplied by 12 centimeter, because 1 foot is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, is equal to 30.48 centimeter, which is again equal to 0.3048 meter, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, or 10 raised to the power 2 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. This implies that 1 over 0.3048 foot is equal to 1 meter. This implies that 3.28083 feet is equal to 1 meter. We have done nothing. We have calculated 1 over 0.3048, okay, which becomes 3.28083 feet equal to 1 meter. This implies that 3280.83 feet is equal to 1 kilometer. Or in other words, we can also write the above figure as 3.28083 into 10 raised to the power 3 feet equal to 1 kilometer. So this is the solution of part B, that is there are 3.28083 into 10 raised to the power 3 feet in 1 kilometer. Now we move on to next slide, which is just an additional note. This additional note has been copied, pasted here from module number 4, which I have already uploaded on my SlideShare account. Okay, additional note: conversion factors. Sometimes it becomes necessary to convert units from one system to another. Conversion factor between SI and conventional units of length are as follows. 1 mile is equal to 1609 meter is equal to 1.609 kilometer. 1 foot is equal to 0.3048 meter is equal to 30.48 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 39.37 inches, which is again equal to 3.281 feet. 1 inch is equal to 0.0254 meter, which is again equal to 2.54 centimeter. 1 gallon is equal to 4.5461 liters. 1 tola is equal to 11.636 gram. 1 pound is equal to 0.4536 kg. 1 foot is equal to 0.3048 meter is equal to 30.48 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 39.37 inches, which is again equal to 3.281 feet. 1 inch is equal to 0.0254 meter, which is again equal to 2.54 centimeter. 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to the power 5 Dyne. And this is the end of